Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set face lock for private safe in OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the fingerprint face in password. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in fingerprint face in password, okay, you can see the face. Okay guys, you all have to do is click face, and we need to enter the lock screen password. And okay guys, here select the face 4, and okay. And okay guys, after you select the page 4, okay, there are options here. And okay guys, you all have to do is click the switch button. And okay guys, the pop-up will show and turn on privacy password before changing the settings. Okay, you all have to do is click on. And okay guys, we need to set a privacy password. And okay guys, we need to verify the new password. And okay guys, we need to set security question. And okay guys, there are questions here. And okay, on the right side, you can see the arrow to select or to choose another question for your security question. So okay guys, I choose what is your father's name. So select or click the circle on the right side. And okay guys, we need to enter the answer for your question. And okay guys, after you enter the answer for this question, so okay, you'll have to do is click done on the upper right side on your screen. Okay guys, we have successfully enabled the face lock for private safe in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.